I wanted to do some last minute problems here that someone asked about. So this is from the practice final. I want to look at 15, 24, 31, and 32. So 15 says perform the following division and write the answer in trigonometric form. And there's more to it. It says write your result in the exact form if possible, otherwise use decimal. We can do this in exact form. So when we do this, we do 8 divided by 6. That can be reduced to be 4/3. Then times what? It's going to be cosine of 3 pi over 2 minus pi over 2. So we subtract those. Plus I sine of 3 pi over 2 minus pi over 2. So that is 4/3 times cosine of 3 pi over 2 minus pi over 2 is 2 pi over 2, which is just pi, plus I sine of, same thing, pi. And that does it for 15. Didn't ask for Euler's form, just asked for the trigonometric form. But Euler's wouldn't be hard, it'd be 4/3 e to the I pi. Okay. The next problem, 24, find the equation in standard form for the ellipse with the stated properties. Vertices at -4, 5 and 8, 5, with E, the eccentricity being 2/3. So if I just do a little quick graph of this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, it's going to be opening side, or actually longer than taller, because those are where the vertices are. The center is the midpoint between the vertices, and that's going to be -4 plus 8 over 2, 5 plus 5 over 2, and that's going to be 4 halves, 10 halves, which is at 2, 5. So that tells us quite a bit. I mean, first 2, 5 is the center. But in our equation, it's going to be x minus 2 squared over something plus y minus 5 squared over something equals 1. Sorry if I hit my headset there. Now the next question is how far is it from the center to that vertex? It would be the same either way we go. And that's 5. No, it's not. It's 6. So that means A equals 6. So I'll put a 6 squared down there. And then we know that E equals C over A. And so our E is 2/3, C over 6. A is 6. So we can cross multiply and divide. 3C equals 12. 3 times C is 2 times 6. Divided by 3. C equals 4. And remember that C squared equals A squared minus B squared. So 4 squared equals 6 squared minus B squared. 16 equals 36 minus B squared. So -20 is -b squared, so b squared is 20. So we'll put our 20 down there. So it's going to be x minus 2 squared over 36 plus y minus 5 squared over 20 equals 1. Okay, on to 31. Find the equation in standard form of the hyperbola with foci at -9,3 and -1,3, and the vertices at -8,3 and -2,3. I don't need to go that far out. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So negative 8, 3 is a vertex, and negative 2, 3 is a vertex. And then negative 9, 3 is a focus, and negative 1, 3 is a focus. So those are our foci. Now remember, well, I'm a little ahead of myself. The center is going to be the midpoint of either the foci or the vertices. Doesn't matter which one. So it's going to be negative 8 plus negative 2 over 2. 3 plus 3 over 2. That's negative 10 halves, 6 halves. So that's going to be negative 5 comma 2 is our center. Change colors for that. So there's our center. So then the question is, what's our A? A is the distance here from negative 5 to negative 8. That's going to be a distance of 3. And C is the distance from negative 5 to negative 1. That's going to be 4. And I could have gone either way on these. I mean, I could have done from there to there, but just to not clutter it too much. So we know that A equals 3, C equals 4. Now in this, C squared is A squared plus B squared. So 4 squared equals A squared is 3 squared plus B squared. So 16 equals 9 plus B squared. So 7 is B squared. And we want to put this in standard form. This is going to be x minus negative 5 squared over our A. The A is 3 minus, because it's hyperbola, y minus 2 squared over our B squared is 7 equals 1. So the answer is x plus 5 squared over 9 minus y minus 3 squared over 7 equals 1. There, the box was not a very good box. Okay, the last problem here. Find the equation of standard form of the hyperbola with asymptotes of y plus 7. So it's y plus 7. It's going to say y equals y plus 7 equals plus or minus 9 halves times x plus 6. And the vertices at negative 8, negative 7, and negative 4, negative 7. So again with this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So negative 8, negative 7, negative 4, negative 7. It's going to open up sideways. Now a lot of the information is given to us right here. Remember the standard form for the asymptote is going to be y minus k equals plus or minus, in this case since it opens sideways, it's b over a times x minus h. So with that, our k must be negative 7, our h must be negative 6, because y minus negative 7 is y plus 7. X minus negative 6 is x plus 6. So our center is at negative 6, negative 7, and we can also get that by just finding the midpoint here of the vertex, or the vertices. Get that midpoint. Okay. So we know it's going to be x minus negative 6 squared over something minus y minus negative 7 squared over something equals 1. Now the next part is to determine what our A is. A is the distance from negative 6 to negative 4. That's 2. It's also from negative 8 to negative 6. It's also a 2. So our A equals 2. We also know the slope here, b over a, is it 9 halves? So b over 2 is 9 over 2, therefore b must be 2. Nope, b must be 9. Gotcha on that one. Haha. So this is going to be 2 squared down here. This is going to be 9 squared. So it's x plus 6 squared over 4 minus y plus 7 squared over 81 equals 1. Okay, and that's it for these problems. I hope it helps, and I hope that you all do well in your finals. Okay, bye.